Welcome to our new channel. Make sure to like this video and smash that like button. Yep. And hit the notification bell so you get notified every video that we post. We build this Lego. So I built this Lego house with a balcony. You see the little person. And the sleigh was Ben from Frozen. And my little brother, what's this?
Lego car.
He built a Lego car. Hi guys! So we're going to build our Legos. So first, my brother will build this car. Okay, Okay, so we need some pieces. Okay, now put them on. Put the pieces on. Is it correct?
It's red.
We are going to build a red car. Yep, it is perfect. And now we need, where is it? A green one? Do you like green?
I like
Because there's no more red.
I
Okay,
like
so we
green.
can do green. And then what else?
Red.
Oh, how about orange?
Yes.
Orange and orange. So the first side is red and the other side is orange. Next,
We need a food here.
and I'm going to build the back part. Click. And now we can build the top part.
A window. Boing.
So we first build this cool car, orange on the first side, red on the other side. And then we are going to build a house. Just put it over here for a bit. Now we can build a house. Red, one. Wait, first we need persons. We need persons. Okay.
What?
Okay, so you put the legs on and now, woo! You fall. It fell. He'll get it. Now I will build Elsa from Frozen and he will build Anna. If it doesn't look like Anna, it's okay because that's the only Lego person I have. Now I am going to build Elsa. And last piece is her hair. Are you finished? Yay! Oh, no. I'll help you.
Look, a red side and orange side.
Yeah. So here are the two characters. If it doesn't look like Anna, it's okay. But this is probably Elsa.
And this
So-
is red and orange side. This is
Let's
mine.
let them ride for a bit. Okay. There's one.
This time.
And the other side. And the back is Elsa. No, over here. So let's just leave. I broke it. Yeah, let's just leave it. So let's put them over here. Then we are going to build the house. Red, come on. I need a door, please.
Door.
Where's the door? Only a piece of the door.
I need.
There's the piece. Yes? No.
I don't know.
So I'll first build the part. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, we need... Let's build this castle first. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so... Where is the piece I
I
forgot?
found it.
Where?
It over there.
No, the other piece. Where is that other piece? Where? Oh, found it. Found this one. You
I
have
found
to.
this one up there.
No, this part, this piece, this one.
Wait.
This one. Find another one of this. So, well, I will
Found that.
build the part. Where?
Found that.
Hmm?
Look what happened.
Where? Nope. I found it. I found it. Where is it? Ah. Wait a minute. Where is it? Where is that piece that I am missing? Oh,
What?
found it.
Like that one?
No, this one. I found it. No.
Like this one? Like this one?
We're almost done into that piece. Now we need. I think two purple pieces on the back and blue pieces on the front.
I can build a chair.
No, not
build
yet.
a chair.
So he will start building a couch, and I will keep building this castle. Almost done. Here are the two pieces that I'm missing. There. Go.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'm almost done. I just have to find this piece. So we need to find another piece.
I got stuck. I found that here. Over here.
Oh, thank you. You found it. Yeah.
I found
More.
it.
Now we need some crystals to add it. I found this snowflake crystal and this blue crystal. It looks like water, so.
Wait, where's the? Hey, where's the brown one?
What brown one?
The flush.
So we're done with the castle.
I'm to make the house.
Yes, we are going
My
to build.
car is here. My car is here.
Next, we are going to build the sleigh for Sven. So first, we have to build Sven, of course. So we need his antlers. I need one more antler.
Found it.
Yay. To build the sleigh. So here's the sleigh. Now I need. Where is it?
Found that.
This piece. This small little piece. Put it over here.
I found him.
No, not yet. Now we need around this one. It's pretty much gold. And here is the golden piece. Gold piece. Put it on the middle of the sleigh.
And this is one.
Not did I need this one. Pero gold in this one. We need a gold this piece that is gold. Oh, I found it.
Ate, mukhang nakuha flower sa atin.
Wait lang.
Tinti?
I should make that. Put the saddle of Sven.
Ah!
Oh my.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So we're done with the sleigh. Just need to put some torches. One. Torch over here. And the other torch over here. So my brother likes playing with my two girl dolls. I think he likes crashing them with my cars. Here is the other piece. Here is the other one that I built. Red, let's put our stuff here. Let's put them over here. Now it's time to build the house. Oh, Elsa fell. It's okay. We can let her ride on the sleigh. Not yet. What? Who put that there?
Apple.
Ish, ish, ish. There. Go. Now we need this one. Boing. How did you? No.
Is it not
Where is
me?
it? I need this purple piece. The red. Oh, here is the red piece that I was missing. What's the matter with you? Little brothers. I'm almost done with that piece on the floor.
I want to make stairs.
Okay, you can build some stairs if you want. I'll check on it if it's really correct. Now we need some stairs.
I think
Red.
I think you got a mustard bin.
What? That's not a stair, Red.
It's a stair.
It's not stairs.
Okay.
Where is that piece? Okay. I am missing one piece where that I have no idea where is it. Whoa! You girl.
Yeah.
Oh my, what happened to you, dude? Stop shouting. Almost done. Please hit. Now we need a window, which is this. Pretty much almost done. We need just the garden stuff.
This is the mailbox.
Yeah, that's a mailbox.
This is a
I'm
mailbox.
missing some pieces.
And
We're clearly almost done.
we have more. We have more. Mabuti lang. Kaya mabuti ng flowers.
Wait, I'm not done with the flap.
Garden. There's a garden.
That's not a garden yet.
I can flash the flowers after.
I need more flowers.
Here.
Flowers.
Ah!
Flowers are cool. Sunflowers. You get that.
Ah.
We're pretty much almost done.
Wait a minute.
We're almost done with the house.
Where's something
We just-
missing?
We're just going to build more pets.
Why do you know that? Blah, 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 blah,
What?
blah.
Okay, you're being weird, mister.
I'm not a mister.
Yes, you are, mister. You are a boy.
I'm a boy.
If I won't call you mister, then you're a girl. Mrs. Yay! Almost done. Just add
Almost done.
a bunch of stuff.
Almost done.
their house.
Almost done. Almost done. Ate.
And some crystals and stuff
Almost done.
in the window.
Ito, hi, makabiin ni ate. We're almost done. We're almost done.
I just have to add some stuff and
Wait.
we'll be done.
Hey, you big here. We are.
Camera.
Ow.
Okay, so you're being weird now, Red.
No.
The remote over here. Stop moving around. And yeah, we're done. Woo, we're done. Now they can move in their new house, which they just stepped on their garden. Yay.
They can smell flowers.
Bye! Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button. Give us a big thumbs up. And hit the notification bell. Bye!